I'm going to now perform calculation of one more question, that is question number 2 from our exercise book. The question is written over here. This is the second question of the exercise that we are doing. The profit on a refrigerator is 35% of the cost price. If the profit is $280, find the cost price and the selling price of the refrigerator. In the previous video, I have discussed a question which already had these things given in the form of a data. Now we have a word problem. From this word problem, you will have to first of all extract the information, extract the data. You will have to identify the known quantities and the unknown quantities. And then you will identify the formula that can be used to find out the unknowns. First of all, if I go through the word problem, in this word problem there are two things given: 35% of the cost price and $280. First of all, you will have to identify what are these things. The profit on a refrigerator is 35%. So this is a percentage, and this can either be profit percentage or the loss percentage. Since I am talking about the profit, so this becomes the profit percentage. If the profit is $280, this is a quantity, not a percentage. This is $280, and what is this? This is the profit. So in this question, there are two things that are given. First is profit percentage, and how much is that? That is 35%. Second is the quantity, which is the profit. And what is the profit given? Profit is $280. I hope that everything that I am writing on the board is visible. And if it is not, then at least you can pay attention to what I am saying. What are the unknowns? The first unknown is the cost price. So we have to find out how much is the cost price. And the second thing that we have to find out is what is the selling price. So first thing, you always need to extract the information out of a word problem. This is a very easy word problem. I do not hope any one of you finding it difficult. Anyway, so this is the information that we now have available. Profit percentage is there, profit is there, cost price is unknown, and selling price is also unknown. These are the two things that we have to find out. These are the formulae that we have been discussing, and now we have to decide which formula can be used to find out any one of this at a time. For instance, if I want to find out cost price right now, the formula which will include profit, cost price, sell price, and profit percentage could either be this or could be one of these. So these two formula are out of the equation, this or this. Right now, can I use this formula? In this formula, profit is there, selling price is there, cost price is there. If you look at the question that is given, selling price and cost price, these are the two unknowns. And if I want to use this formula, so this formula will not work because this will carry two unknowns. I cannot go for a formula involving two unknowns in it. So one of the options now available is going to be this. It can either be this or this. If I go with this one, in this formula, profit percentage, that is there, profit, that is also there, cost price, that is the only unknown. And if you want to use this one, profit percentage is there, but selling price and cost price, they both are not there. So the formula right now that I am going to use is this one. First of all, I use this formula and find out the value of cost price. So profit percentage is equals to profit over cost price multiplied by 100. Profit percentage is 35. Profit is $280. Cost price is the unknown, so I am writing cost price CP there. And now we can perform the calculation and find out the value of cost price very easily. The only unknown is cost price. I am going to move cost price on this side, and I am going to bring 35 over here, and then I can perform the calculation. Cost price is isolated on this side 280 and divide by 35. This 35 comes over here by 100. 280 divided by 35 multiplied by 100. When you perform all of this, the cost price that you are going to get is $800. As soon as we have cost price, now the only unknown is selling price. If I want, I can use this formula to find out the selling price, but I would prefer doing this one. Now that I have cost price available, this formula will also start working for me. Profit is there, selling price is now the only unknown, cost price has just been found out. So now I can use the first formula to find out the selling price, and the working for that is going to be, the formula that I am using is profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. The profit is $280 is equals to selling price is the unknown, so I am writing SP minus cost price is 800. If I bring this 800 over here, this 800 will start adding on this side is equals to selling price, the only unknown, and 280 plus 800 is going to be the value of selling price, that is $1080. So these are the two things that we were looking to find out in this word problem. It's a very easy question, and I really hope that most of you will now have understood how to solve a word problem of this kind. In rest of the videos, I'll inshallah discuss the solution of rest of the questions. Whichever question you are finding difficult, kindly look at these videos, and if there is any confusion remaining after the discussion, do let me know. Okay, I'll continue the discussion in the next video. Thank you.